Welcome to the presentation on Nastel Technologies. My name is Charlie Rich, and we're going to talk about driving business transaction performance. Nastel is the leader in application performance management across both distributed and mainframe tiers for over 15 years. Why? It's because Autopilot provides visibility, prediction, and performance. Now that's important for a lot of reasons. First off, for visibility, that delivers real-time 360-degree situational awareness of your applications, the middleware that's interconnecting them, and their transactions. This delivers a reduction in risk for your business and helps you maximize the quality of service you deliver to your customers. Next is prediction. This lets you instantly know when your applications and transactions are veering from business normal to business abnormal. You can take action before it hurts. And finally, performance. Ensure peak performance and availability of your business applications and their transactions. This is often referred to as business transaction management. And you can do it at a lower cost and with less impact to your staff and customers. Let's look here at the circle of visibility. Nastel provides application performance management, part of which is business transaction management. And how does that work? Well, in the center, we have Autopilot. Autopilot has at its core a complex event processing engine. And into that complex event processing engine, or SEP engine, is coming transactional data from Nastel or third-party sources. In addition is coming application performance management data, either operational or transactional. Deep middleware management data. Now, this could be WebSphere MQ, TIBCO, or a variety of sources, or just plain JMS. Now, this is key because I believe the secret to unlocking business transaction management is to have visibility into what's called the process orchestration layer. And this is middleware, and that's where these conversations are going on between applications. And finally, business activity monitoring. All of this together is fed into the complex event processing engine to deliver the value that Autopilot brings to its customers. Let's take a look at this in action. We have a typical systems management view, servers on a network for a business. And Nastel provides agents optionally, but you don't need to use our instrumentation. We can make use of everything you have already. We refer to this as raising the IQ of your existing investments. We can use your HP Operations Center agents, your Tivoli Tech. This could be from CA Unicenter. From a variety of sources, we can pull in that instrumentation. That operational data is fed up to our complex event processing engine in Autopilot for analysis. Next comes the important middleware messaging layer. Again, this could be WebSphere MQ, TIBCO, Enterprise Service Bus, etc. Again, this is important because this is where the applications are conversing. Now, these can be applications like payment, equities, funds transfer, card processing, could be claims processing and healthcare, a variety of different apps. Now, that middleware data is fed up along to the complex event processing engine and correlated with the operational data. Now let's bring in the transactions. We're looking at a funds transfer transaction. We track each one of these. We track their state, such as a lost transaction. Here you can see one that's failed. And look at this. We stitch them together. We determine automatically, and all of this is done through auto discovery and automation. Here, the trade entry is stitched together to validation, stitched to auditing, to customer information, to tracking. And then that transactional data goes into our complex event processing engine along with business KPIs. And together, that delivers what we call 360-degree situational awareness, the visibility you need. Some of the companies that rely on Nastel, and there are over 200, you can see some of the financial service ones, retail, government. What's special about this is that some of these customers have been around for a long time. Credit Suisse for over 7 years, Citi in 9 countries for over 10 years, Dell for over 11 years. What's noteworthy about this is customers don't stay with their vendor for that many years without a very good reason. Paying maintenance each year, they would quickly leave and go to another vendor if they weren't getting the service and quality that they need from their applications and their vendor. So just a quick summary here. Nastel is the leader in application performance management across distributed and mainframe tiers for over 15 years, and it brings three important benefits to its clients: visibility, prediction, and performance. Why should you care? It hits the bottom line. Reduce cost, your total cost of ownership. Through its predictive capabilities in the complex event processing engine, it can lower your OpEx, operational expenditures, through improved staff efficiency, less labor, and shorter outages. Lower CapEx, capital expenditures, because no longer do you need to have the knee-jerk reaction to throw hardware at a performance problem. And in today's service-oriented world, that just doesn't work anyway. It's a drop in the ocean. It's wasted money. Now you don't need to do that through its automation. So saving money. Improve service to your customers. Through our 360-degree situational awareness, you understand exactly through visibility what the issues are. You're getting both operational and transactional data in a business context. Transactional tells you what happened. Operational tells you why. And from that, you can remediate and fix things as quickly as possible and save. And finally, manage risk or compliance. The governance capabilities of Autopilot are there to prevent business process disruption. You can predict and prevent problems using our complex event processing engine and meet your SLAs. So what's next? If this was interesting, feel free to contact me. Visit our website. We have a new blog as well. Follow us on Twitter or on LinkedIn, and we'd be glad to help you with an assessment. Thank you very much.